What up, friends and family? It's your boy Keeks, the Cultureholic. Shout out to the Cultureholic Facebook group in the TS.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my.
All right, y'all, let's get right on into it. The PG3 lure. So earlier we've had Paul George has dropped the NASA themed PG3s. Well, this one takes inspiration from his love of fishing. So this is called the lure. All right, so as you can tell, it's a water themed shoe, but a bright aqua blue. It has pop of bright green accents. There's also a nice little cool design of a koi fish that's on the heel of the shoe. All right, so this shoe does scream summertime where it's vibrant colors, but it is, I would say, more of a traditional basketball shoe. But you could wear it if you want to do it as a fashion statement. But the outer sole on it is pretty durable, which I think it will hold up very well on the court. Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Pretty cool quote. Overall, pretty good catch of a shoe. See what I did there? But anyway, this shoe should be easy to pick up. So once again, that's about it for now. Thank you all for making me part of your day. Remember to wear what you like, hype what you love, and in the words of my favorite rapper, peace and much love to you.
Some real cool fresh sneakers, go to the store, drown them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.